Un a fi yn Hiroshima yn ddiweddar oedd Gwilym Davies o Ben Parce yn Aberystwyth. Gwilym, your mission, and we'll call it a mission to Hiroshima, was a peace mission, wasn't it?
A peace mission, yes. Yes, I formed the branch of the Burma Star Association in 1974, and I'll go back now to right from the beginning. And in 1980, I thought, well, there's so much hate. Why can't we have a friendship? So I wrote to the Japanese up in London, the ambassador, and I was invited up many times, and we formed a group. I met a Japanese veteran who fought against me in Burma. And with a friend from Cardigan and we decided to form a peace group, what it's called. And we called our group the Burma Campaign Fellowship Group. Today we got 300 members. And out of the 300, more than half of those have been decorated in battle. Mr. James and I went out to Japan in 1983. We met all the Japanese veterans. We came back. We went out again in 1989. 10 now British Burma veterans went out. And we again met all the Japanese Burma veterans. We went out again, 30 of us now in 1995, in November last. And we went and we met all the Japanese Burma veterans. Now, our main aim is we must not hate people. And all of us feel that we must try now, to make it a better world, not only for us, but our children.
How did the people in Japan feel? Did they agree with you? Were they
the same mind? They agreed with us. They were very kind to us. They welcomed us. They took us around to different places. I went to Nagasaki in 1989. I went to Hiroshima in 1995. I met all the people in the hospital that have suffered under the atom bombs. And it was real funny, I was surprised. Not one of them bore any malice against us at all. They all said, we can't forget, but we do forgive. Now, if we can't forgive, we are not good people at all. So I think it is about time, that we did try for our younger generation. Mm-hmm. Now our children, they mustn't grow up and hate people.
I know you've done a lot of work in getting children from Aberystwyth out to Japan, haven't you?
We have. We've linked the Welsh school now in Aberystwyth with a school in Caercho. We sent a little boy and girl out in 1993. We sent another little boy and girl in 1994. But we couldn't send anybody in 1995. We were short of funds, really. But I do hope, I'm going up to London now in about a month's time, and I got a lot of friends that I made up there. And I think we will send over 10 children from our Welsh school now in Aberystwyth.
And I know while you were out there, you met someone who agreed with you in the belief that both sides were wrong in what they did.
That's correct. I met this Japanese veteran, and I spoke to him, and I said to him, do you know, I said, you fought for what you thought was right, and we fought again for what we thought was right. And he looked at me in the face and he said, my friend, we are both wrong. I thought that was wonderful.
Mr. Davies, thank you very much for coming in to share some of your experiences with us. And I do hope the children manage to go out there next year.
I am going like the first chance I get.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much.
Thank you.